Hello guys, and welcome to Hank's Precision Gun Parts. Today we're going to talk about these little bore guides. I had a couple people ask me about making these, so I decided to go ahead and make them and add them to the website. We've got them made out of plastic or brass. It's totally a personal preference on which one you like. They both work exactly the same way, and I'm going to show you how they work here in just a second. So let's go ahead and demonstrate how you would use one of these bore guides while you're loading your gun. So we've got this muzzle loader here that I just finished up, and I'm going to load it for you using one of the bore guides. So we would remove our ramrod. We're going to start the bullet into the barrel. Push it down as far as you can with your fingers. The way the bullet is designed and the jag that you're using to push the bullet down the barrel, that's going to keep the ramrod from touching the sides of the barrel for about the first inch or two. So you can go ahead and get your bullet started in the barrel. Then you're going to want to remove your ramrod, put the bore guide right on top of the barrel, into the barrel. Now what that's going to do is center up the ramrod with the center of the bore of this barrel. So as you're pushing the ramrod down, you can't torque it or push it off center and touch the barrel as it's going down. So you're going to use your thumb and finger and hold on to the barrel and pull down on the bore guide and seat your bullet down to the powder charge. It's that easy. So once you've reached your powder charge and your witness mark, you can put the witness mark right here at the top of the bore guide. You can just pull that bore guide right up, remove it from the ramrod, put your ramrod back in the gun, and you're now ready to fire. So that's how these bore guides work, fellas. You can pick them up here at hanksprecisiongunparts.com, and if you got any other ideas, let me know. I'll try to make them for you.